This Minecraft style channel is absolutely crazy. If you look at the videos, the most popular one has hit 106 million views. The second has 85 million, then 79 million, 52 million, 43 million, and 41 million. That means almost every single video gets millions of views, nothing less. Why? Because this niche is insanely addictive. People don't just watch it, they keep watching. Kids love it, adults enjoy it, and the retention is crazy high. As you can see on the screen, almost all videos have millions of views, with only a few stuck in the thousands, and that's rare. Now, talking about subscribers, this channel has 3.54 million subscribers with just 189 videos. Think about that. Now, let's talk money. This channel is making at least 13K and around 200K every month, and in just the last 30 days, it pulled in 50 million views. So guys, first analyze this video. Steve found a chest he was never meant to open. Alex tried to stop him, but Steve didn't listen. The moment he opened it, everything changed. A dark villager escaped from inside. The sky turned purple. The village started to fall apart. Alex grabbed her sword, but it wasn't enough. The darkness kept spreading faster and faster. Steve was scared, but then he saw something glowing. Inside the chest, there was a crystal. This was their only chance. Steve picked it up and faced the shadow. Light and darkness collided in a massive explosion. For a second, everything went silent. The village was back to normal. It felt like it was finally over. Now, here's the important part. The tool I'm about to show you is completely free. First, open the master prompt that I've already prepared for you. It's called Minecraft's Short Story Video Generation Prompt. Right at the start, it explains the main goal. Then it walks you through story guidelines, character creation, and all the important sections you need. Section 1 gives you 10 ready-to-use image prompts with scenes. After that, you get voiceover rules, optimization tips, and even video prompts. What you have to do is simple. You'll find the link in the description. Copy it, go to ChatGPT, paste it, and hit generate. And instantly, you'll get a full structured output. First, scene generation, then video prompts, and even voiceover lines ready to use. So now you can see exactly how we generated image prompts and video prompts step by step. And now, don't skip this part. The tool we're using today is called Google Flow AI tool. And yes, it's completely free. First, log in using your Gmail account. Once you log in, you will immediately receive 150 credits. Next, click on Upgrade and upgrade to Google AI Pro. This upgrade is completely free. After upgrading, you will continue to receive 1,000 credits every month. Now, open Google Flow and click on New Project. Since image generation does not consume credits, start by selecting Image and set the aspect ratio to 9.16. Let's generate two images. For the first one, select Nano Banana Pro. Now, switch over to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the first image, paste it into Flow, and click Generate. The image will be generated shortly. Simply download the one you like the most. Use the same method to generate the remaining images. Once all images have been generated, return to Flow, switch the mode from image to video, set the aspect ratio to 9.16, and select VO3. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the first video, paste it into Flow, and click Generate. The video will be generated in a few moments. Let's take a look at how the generated video turned out.
Steve found something he was never meant to open.
Continue creating videos using this exact method, one after another, until you've built a solid batch of clips. Once all your videos are ready, the next step is editing them properly so they're eligible for monetization and don't feel AI generated. Start by opening CapCut and importing all your clips. Place them in order on the timeline so everything flows naturally. The first thing you want to do is crop out the VO3 watermark from every single clip. This is important for keeping your content clean and professional. Next, add smooth transitions between clips to improve the overall viewing experience. After that, include captions. This makes a huge difference. Captions not only boost engagement, but also help your video feel more authentic and less automated. From here, focus on adding your own creative touch. Whether it's sound effects, zooms, overlays, or pacing, this is where you turn simple clips into high-quality content. The more unique value you add, the better your chances of getting monetized. Once everything looks polished, export your video in 4K resolution for the best quality. And if you found this helpful and want more content like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more powerful AI strategies.